Guess what time of the year it is? It's Palm Harbor's Christmas in October. It just started here yesterday. Our Christmas in October, the new specials we have going on, we've got up to $2,500 for kitchen upgrades, $2,500 for energy efficiency. Save money on your heating and cooling bills. We've got $2,500 in outdoor packages, decks, skirting, pads, all that stuff. Not to mention how many homes I have here that are on special saving. We've got a Super Saver Cypress. I've taken off $12,000 off the price of that house. This is the best time to buy at Palm Harbor, Christmas in October. Our savings on our homes, the special free options that we have going on right now. Come by and visit us, 1152 Frontage Road, Cleveland, Texas, 77328. Go on our website, www.cleveland.palmharbor.com, or give us a call. Set up an appointment, 281-592-8600. We look forward to seeing you.